Today I'm going to be making tofu chocolate. Sounds like healthy dessert, right? This is not for me, but for my 18 years old son. He's stuck in the house for about a year because of the COVID-19 and college entrance exam. He gained weight. First, let's melt the chocolate. Pour 60 degrees hot water in the pot. When you stick your finger in the hot water for a couple of seconds and you cannot keep your fingers no more than 2 or 3 seconds, that is 60 degrees Celsius. Set aside. Next, let's prepare the tofu. Bring water to a boil and put the tofu cut into 2-inch cubes. As you might already know, we cut tofu on our palms. Do not slide the blade not to cut yourself. Cook over medium heat until boil again and the tofu heated through. What this does is reducing the beany smell from the tofu and the excess moisture. Drain and set aside for about 10 minutes to drip off the excess moisture. Add the chocolate while it's still warm, and that is easy to combine with the chocolate. When you want to mix the two different things like water and oil, tofu and chocolate in this case, it's much easier to mix under the warm circumstances. Mix with the blender, or you can use a food processor. Add in vanilla and a pinch of salt if you want. Mix until well combined. The chocolate and the tofu mixture looks glossy like this, which means tofu and chocolate are homogenized successfully. Transfer to the prepared mold and chill in the fridge for about 1 hour to 2 hours. Semi-sweet chocolate tend to set much faster than the white chocolate. Cut into the desired size and dust with cocoa powder. There you have it, tofu chocolate. Leave it on the counter for at least 30 minutes before serving to bring it to a room temperature. And that creates the melt in your mouth texture. Let's taste it. It doesn't taste like tofu, but lighter than the typical heavy cream version. And it feels like I am doing good things for my body and no guilt at all. You can cut 40% of the calories. So why not making this chocolate for your Valentine's Day? Give it a try and let me know how you like it. Thank you for watching the video. Give me a big thumbs up and share the video with your friends and families. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already. Follow me on the social media and tag me on your post if you give it a try. Go to my website for the printable recipe and more information. And my store on Amazon has pretty much everything that I'm using in my video. Stay safe and stay healthy, and I will see you soon. Bye!